What if I told you there's a tool that can see the invisible problems in your field, predict the future of your crop, and put thousands of dollars back in your pocket? No, it's not magic. It's the practical implementation of artificial intelligence in agriculture. Welcome back to Agro Adventure. Today, we're cutting through the hype to show you exactly how AI and precision agriculture are not just fancy gadgets, but your most powerful allies in the fight to slash costs and supercharge your yields. We're talking about real, actionable steps you can take right now. The core concept, from blanket to bullseye. For generations, farming has been a game of averages. We treat an entire field as one single unit. But you and I know a single field can have dozens of different soil types, moisture levels, and nutrient needs. This is the fundamental shift. Precision ag moves us from blanket recommendations to bullseye accuracy. Here's the simple breakdown of how it creates value. Data collection. We use sensors, satellites, and drones to scan the field. They collect data on plant health using NDVI maps, soil moisture levels, nutrient deficiencies, pest and weed infestations. AI analysis. This raw data is fed into an AI system. And the best part? AI doesn't get tired. It analyzes every square meter, compares it to historical data and weather forecasts, and spots patterns humans can't see. Precision action. The system then creates a hyper-accurate prescription map. This map tells your machinery exactly what to do and where. The practical payoff, where you save and earn. Now let's get to the part you care about most, the bottom line. How does this directly put money in your pocket? Let's break it down into 3 key areas. 1. Slashing fertilizer costs. Fertilizer is one of your biggest expenses. With variable rate technology, guided by AI, you only apply fertilizer where it's needed and in the exact amount the soil requires. The result? You can realistically see a 15 to 30% reduction in fertilizer use without losing yield. That's a direct saving that goes straight to your profit. 2. Optimizing water and fuel. Water is life, and fuel is money. AI-powered irrigation systems use soil moisture sensors and weather data to water only when and where necessary. This eliminates waste from overwatering. Less water used means less fuel burned to pump it. It's a double win for your wallet and the environment. 3. Protecting yield with targeted pest control. Instead of spraying an entire field when you spot a few weeds or signs of disease, drones can identify the exact hotspots. Then, instead of spraying the whole field, a sprayer drone treats only that 2%. This saves over 90% of your pesticides, protects your beneficial insects, and directly translates into massive chemical cost savings. Your first steps. Getting started is easier than you think. This might sound like technology for giant corporate farms, but that's not true anymore. You can start small and scale up. Here is a simple, practical path to get started. Start with soil sampling. Instead of one sample per field, switch to grid sampling. This gives you your first variable rate map for lime and phosphorus. Embrace free satellite imagery. Many platforms offer free satellite NDVI maps. Use them to spot trouble areas long before you can see them with the naked eye. Adopt a section control. This basic precision feature on modern planters and spreaders prevents costly overlaps, instantly saving you 5 to 10% on seed and input costs. You don't need a $500,000 tractor. Start small. Start with the data, and the savings will follow. The bigger picture: why this matters to everyone. And this isn't just about profit on a spreadsheet. This is the future of farming. By using AI to do more with less, we are building a more resilient and sustainable food system for everyone. We're growing more food on the same land with fewer resources. That's a story worth sharing. So, what do you think? Are you ready to turn your data into dollars? Let me know in the comments which cost-saving idea excites you most. If you found this practical guide helpful, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button. Subscribe to Agro Adventure for more actionable farming insights. Share this video with a fellow farmer who needs to see this. Here at Agro Adventure, we believe the smartest farms are the most profitable ones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.